Hello, everyone. Welcome to our comprehensive English lesson for beginners. I am your teacher, and I am so happy to see you here today. In this series, we will build your confidence in English step by step. We will cover everything from basic greetings to everyday objects. English is a global bridge that connects people from all over the world. By learning it, you open doors to new cultures and opportunities. Let us start with greetings. When the sun comes up, we say good morning. It is a polite way to start your day. In the middle of the day, from noon until the evening, we say good afternoon. This is perfect for meeting friends or colleagues. As the sun starts to set and it gets darker, we say good evening. It is a common greeting for the late hours. For more casual situations, you can simply say hello or hi. These are the most common ways to greet anyone anytime. After saying hello, we often ask, how are you? This shows you care about the other person. Practice saying it with a smile. Now let's look at basic pronouns. Pronouns are small words like I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. They help us identify people. For example, I use I when talking about myself. I am a teacher. This is how we introduce our roles in life. When I talk to you, I use the word you. You are a student. We are learning together in this digital classroom. We use he for a man, she for a woman, and it for objects. Together, we all make a community. We are all learners. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Numbers are essential for everyday life and shopping. Now let's continue to 20, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Great job. Counting on your fingers is a great way to remember. Each finger represents a number. Try it with me as we count again. Next, let's name things around us. This is a book. We can say, it is a book. It is used for reading. And this is a pen. We say, it is a pen. We use pens to write down our thoughts and lessons. A desk, a chair, a notebook, and a computer. These are common things you will find in any classroom or office. Verbs are action words. I eat when I am hungry. I walk to get exercise. I sleep when I am tired. Colors make our world beautiful. Red, blue, yellow. And green are the primary colors we see every single day. Shapes are everywhere too. A circle is round. A square has 4 equal sides. A triangle has 3 corners. A rectangle is long. Look at this red triangle and this blue circle. Using colors and shapes together helps us describe objects more accurately. Politeness is very important in English culture when you want something. Always say please. For example, 1 coffee, please, when you receive something. Always say thank you. It shows appreciation and kindness to the person helping you. If you need to get someone's attention, say excuse me. Use a friendly tone to be as polite as possible. We have covered a lot today, from greetings to colors and politeness. Take a moment to review everything we've learned. Daily practice is the key to success. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Keep speaking and keep learning every day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more lessons. Goodbye, and I will see you in the next video.